Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an account in Arena Breakout. First, open the Arena Breakout mobile app. You can use any of the given options to create your account. I am continuing with my Facebook account. Tap to open Facebook. It will take you to this page. Now tap on Continue. Again, tap on Open. Now take the checkboxes in order to agree with their privacy policy and terms and conditions. Tap on Confirm. Now wait for it to complete loading. Select a face for your character. Then select other features to customize the character. Once you're done, tap on your username. Then select Accept. Now tap on Confirm to go next. Make sure your username is available. That's all about creating your account, and now you can play the game. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.